Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, compass, powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.